Have you ever said, I'll do it later, and then never actually did it? Be honest. We've all been there. But here's the secret. Later is a sneaky little word that often turns into never. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So, remember the missed opportunity? There could have been a time when you received a message from a friend inviting you to catch up. You think, I'll reply later. Time passes, you forget, and the friend moves away. One message, one moment, a lost chance to reconnect. Just like that, later turned into never. Or imagine this, that business idea that never happened. You get an idea for a business or a project. You tell yourself, I'll start when I have more time. Years later, you see someone else succeeding with the same idea. Boom! Someone else took action while you were waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. The words left unsaid, like I'm sorry or I love you, never said on time. Days pass. We assume there's always another day, another chance. But what if today is your only shot? Pick up the phone, say the words, don't wait. You can pause this video for 10 seconds and think, what's one thing you've been putting off? A call, a message, a decision? Ready? Just go ahead and do it. Okay, now don't just think about it. Yes, just do it. Because this moment, right now, will never come back. I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.